Hey guys, Joey here with Cannons RV and Joe's Tech RV Tech DIY. In front of me here, I have a P3 B&B distribution panel. This is the used one. So on the back of these things, if you don't winterize them and you live in a cold climate area, they will actually typically freeze, and most of the water will be coming from here in this port here. As soon as you pressurize it, you end up having to buy the whole new panel unless you buy just the parts kit and you rebuild the whole thing, which can be really time consuming and difficult to identify which exact parts you need, because sometimes you look at these on the back, you can't even tell where it's leaking from unless you pressurize it and you look at it. And usually that's what we do before we take them out. We'll figure out where they're leaking. This specific one, I believe, was leaking like inside here. There was a crack, believe it or not. So that being said, a lot of people get confused removing these and putting them back on. But if you look at the back, they've actually etched out, cold line supply, 2 H2O heater, 2 H2O line, city, 2 fixtures, tank fill, pressure from pump, water inlet, 2 pump inlet. So like, it's pretty directional, I guess is what I'm trying to say. If you're looking for the part number on it, it's a P3, just look up B&B distribution panel. They make several different ones, believe it or not, and you want to match yours up, because sometimes the water faucet will be a different direction, or it won't have the water pump switch on it with the light. There's just different models, so you want to make sure you match up all your valves on yours, and then make sure that your water faucet matches. When you order the new one, you want to get the installation kit as well, because sometimes you'll get just this piece because it's cheaper, but in reality you need to replace some of these fittings, because some of these fittings is also cracked. I've done several where they didn't, and I've done several where they have. This year so far I think we've done like 4. I live in a cold climate though, so keep that in mind. But it comes with everything you need. Just so you guys know, when you buy the installation kit, it comes with quite a few different parts, so it's worth the money too, because you have everything you need. It even comes with new buttons, which is a momentary switch for the water pump, and then it also comes with these little plug covers in case you want to cover them up. But this piece is pretty important. So this piece actually goes where the city water valve is, and believe it or not, like when it pressurizes it, it pushes this plunger down in it and allows the water to go through the other side. So if you put this piece on wrong, and that's the piece that's leaking, you could have some pretty big problems. It does come with crimp fittings though. The tool is not that expensive. You can buy it online. They're pretty easy to do. For a DIY job, this is a pretty involved job, and you're going to spend a lot of time doing it if it's your first time. And just having the patience with it is the #1 thing I can say, because when you swap them out and you put them back together, you'll find that you probably still have a leak here or there. And the main thing is just be patient, and if you got a leak, go ahead and tighten it up. But what we see is this little O-ring inside these fittings, I call it a cone, I'm not sure what the exact name of it is, will fall out when we're working on the system, removing it, and you'll see it on the ground after you put it all back together. I've done it twice, I'm not kidding. Like, I put it all the way back together, and then like one of these fittings won't have the O-ring inside of it, and it's very frustrating. So if you guys are looking for these kits, I'll put a link down in the description where you can find several different styles. You can order it from Amazon, you can order it direct from B&B, you can order it from eTrailer. There's several different places you can order it from. I'll put some links down there in the description where you guys can get it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below, and I would be more than happy to answer them for you. If you're in the Clark County, Washington area and you need help getting this changed, give Cannons RV Repair a call, and we'd love to get it changed out for you. So until next time, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting the channel.